Today we're in Powick Park, that's in Fairfax County. We're at the marina right now, and we're down here to review some boating safety as the holiday weekend's coming up and people start to head out in the water. Station 20 has 2 fire boats that we're responsible for on the Potomac River. We provide protection for the 39 square miles in Fairfax County. That includes Gunston Cove, Belmont Bay, the Occoquan, Little Hunting Creek, and a few other areas. But we also have citizens that venture out on the Potomac, and we start patrol this weekend, Memorial Weekend, and we patrol all the way to the last weekend of September. Things you need to know: starting July 1st, anybody under the age of 40 needs to have the safe boat operating course, and anybody operating the personal watercraft over the age of 12 needs to also have that. And you go to the Department of Virginia Inland Game and Fishery and make sure that you have a certified course for that. With that, they'll go over their life jackets. If you're out on the boat, it's always a good idea to have it on. Anybody under the age of 13 needs to have that life jacket on when they're underway, unless they're under a cabin. Make sure that someone else on land is aware of your plans and they know where you're going from, what time you're returning, what type of vessel you're on. Make sure when you're out you have communications and other signaling devices, a charged cell phone, maybe a VHF radio, and then a horn, air horn, or a whistle in case you need assistance while you're out. For more information on boating safety, you go to fairfaxcounty.gov/fire, and we have some outlined information there on boater safety.